Welcome to Creative Bath Lab. My name is Dora and thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing foaming fluffy whipped body butter sugar scrub. It's amazing. I absolutely love this scrub. It's my favorite so far. The best part, it only requires 3 ingredients. For the base, you'll need butter in a liquid, which can be oil or body wash, depending on the type of scrub that you want. Check out the description for the full recipe and substitutions. The SLSA is totally optional. It adds foam and lather. Mix the butter well, then freeze it for about 10 minutes. It works best when it has a hard shell and a soft and creamy middle. Stir the butter to loosen it. Since the scrub has no water and the body wash already has one, a preservative isn't necessary, but it is recommended to extend the shelf life. Mix the batch until you can stir it, then whip it with a mixer. Scrape the sides and continue whipping. Get the base soft and smooth. Then add 35 grams of liquid. I added body wash so that the scrub will rinse clean, but you can definitely use oil for a more moisturizing scrub. The butter base should be soft and fluffy. You can add whichever exfoliant in whatever amount that you want. I'm using raw sugar, brown sugar, and granulated sugar. I never measure the exfoliant, I just keep adding until it feels right. You may like it more exfoliating or maybe less. Check the scrub and continue from there. Once it feels perfect, cover it and cure it overnight. It will thicken and dry out during this time, which means you'll have to add more liquid. Continue until the scrub is thick but soft. You want the scrub to be the perfect consistency for piping. You'll need a piping bag and a large tip. Conduct a dry run to test it first. Make sure not to make the top bigger than the lid. If you mess up, you can always scrape the top off and repipe it. Decoration is optional. I thought raw sugar was fitting, but it can't be seen on top of the scrub as it is, so I coated the sugar in mica. I used one for color and the other for sparkle. The scrub is best applied on dry skin. You'll notice it's very soft, slick, and oily, just like putting warm butter on your skin. Then, once you apply water, the surfactants are activated, creating a surplus of foam and suds. I absolutely love this scrub. It rinses off very easily as well and leaves no residue behind. Check out the description for the recipe, helpful tips, and the supply list at the bottom.